Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and what we're doing today is a bit more Project Dennis work. We are basically just going to be painting some of the plastics in the engine bay. If you remember, I did do this with my other Fiesta, the Mk5 Norman, but I wasn't as sort of clued up as what I am now with spraying. You know, I'm still not great, but I know a lot more than what I did. So looking here, you already see that this has been sprayed. It's got a tad bit dusty, to be fair, but yeah, you can see that's been sprayed, and to be fair, if I do say so myself, I think I'll make somewhat of a nice job of that. And then after that, the idea is going to be, I'm going to be spraying this today, maybe the bit on the bottom at a later date. I don't know if I'm going to get around to maybe giving these another coat, I don't know, because it probably would look a lot better if these just had another going over or something, or make them shiny just like the paint and not just this sort of dull matte black finish. And then moving forward after that, maybe stuff like this as well, just to give the whole engine bay a little bit of an overhaul and make it look that little bit nicer. But one step at a time, and we'll be starting with this today. So if you have got one of these and you want to do the same thing, literally all you've got to do is pull this pipe off at the top. I totally didn't just put all my strength into it and nearly fall into the engine bay as it came off with all my might put into it. Anyway, that comes off, and then you've got these stars just around here. You've got this one, that one there, that one there, and this one here. And then you should be able to pull the top off, and that'll expose your air filter. Right, now these can be a bit of a nightmare. I don't know how to suggest. You've sort of, to get them off, you've got to sort of hook this over, like that way and up, and then bring it back to unlock it, because these are only really meant to be like one-time seal things, like instead of Jubilee clips. But if you're careful enough, you can reuse them. That's what we're going to be aiming to do today. Because you take it that way and up, and then it will release, and then to put it back together, you get one plier there and one plier on your little ball on the other side, and pinch them back together. But yeah, we'll see how it goes anyway. If all else fails, or if you have a Jubilee clip lying about, just use that. But if not, then you can reuse them if you're careful enough. So now that's off, you can have a good look at the state of your air filter. Make sure there's no leaves chucked in there or anything. I've changed this myself not too long ago, so I'm not really concerned about changing it again, but you can just have a good look about and make sure that there's no sort of leaves or any sort of debris in there. So yeah, let's start prepping. Okay, so I've just sanded it down with some 240 grit sandpaper. Now we're just going to clean it off with a damp cloth, dry it off, and then we can start the primer. Right then guys, so that is the airbox and the fuse box painted so far in the engine bay. I have seen quite a couple of other little plasticky bits I could do, but now I'm out of paint. I'm just gonna have to wait till payday or something until I can get more paint. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how the airbox turned out. I did a good few layers of paint on there, and with the clear coat I got a bit impatient and put it back in the car because I was desperate to see what it looked like, and as a result I got like 1 or 2 fingerprints on it, but you're not really going to see it unless you know they're there. But yeah, it's nice and shiny and I'm really happy with how it looks. But that is it for this video guys. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. Just one more thing, if you want to see the car in person, the Fiesta, it will be at Ford Fair on the We Are Modified stand. That'll be at Silverstone on August 23rd. But that's it for this video guys. Until the next time, peace.